We've just received an exciting update from OnLeaks about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. Turns out, Samsung is switching things up with a slightly different design. Here's what's new. Samsung has decided to move away from the folder-type cover display and is now integrating both rear cameras into the display, similar to what some of its competitors are doing. New Galaxy Z Flip 7 images unveiled. We have 3 brand new images showcasing the actual design Samsung will use later this year. With a larger cover display, measuring around 4 inches instead of the initially reported 3.6 inches, you'll have more real estate to play with. Here are the final design images. Gallery. Image 1. Image 2. Image 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, what to expect? The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, expected to be announced in July alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7, is set to impress with a 3.6-inch cover display and a 6.8-inch inner display, both slightly larger than their predecessors on the Z Flip 6. The dimensions have also grown slightly to 166.6 by 75.2 by 6.9 mm, or 9.1 mm thick with the camera bump. Dual camera setup, 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel ultrawide sensor. Potential processor options include the Exynos 2500, though this hasn't been confirmed yet. Memory options, 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB or 512 GB of storage. Pricing and availability. One important aspect to note is that the price for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to remain the same, starting at $1,099. This is consistent with previous pricing trends, as Samsung did not raise prices for the Galaxy S25 series earlier this year. Less visible crease. Rumor has it, Samsung is working on making the crease on the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 much less visible compared to the Z Flip 6, according to several tipsters.